Okay, I don't do this very often because I am pretty confident when it comes to design, but in this particular case, I am having a slight problem. So, if any of you have followed me for any length of time, you know that I believe strongly in ARV, after repair value, or after construction value, whatever you want to call it, in properties. So I do believe in making selective investments with how you choose to do your renovations, and obviously within budget. So we live in a house that's 1886 in Hamilton. Absolutely love all the natural charm. And we are currently working on our master bathroom upstairs, or primary bathroom. And I am struggling massively with, do I paint the brick or not? So I will see if I can do a flip around so you can see the bathroom. And then I would absolutely 100% love your input as to what you think, in your opinion, if I should paint the brick or not. So hang on, let me do a little reverse here and see if I can. Okay, here you go. Here's the bathroom. Tile is not done yet. Vanity is going to be painted a black color to match the pattern in the large scale tile, which is on the back wall. Freestanding tub is going right in front. Tile will go all the way to the top. And then of course, this pattern on the floor will be on the shower here. And then this wall here is going to have all brick, sort of looking vertical subway tile in a vertical position, dual shower heads, etc. So the question is, do I paint the brick like a white-ish color, because I'm going to be tying these two colors in together. I want to keep it light. Do I paint the brick, or do I leave it natural? I would absolutely love your opinions to get an idea of what your thoughts are, what everybody thinks of painted brick. I do believe in exposed brick. I absolutely love seeing it in some of the homes throughout Hamilton, but I also love painted brick. So please, yeah. So just to recap, if you guys could give me your honest opinion on your thoughts of whether or not I should paint that brick wall, I would so greatly appreciate it. Thanks. Peace out. Love y'all. Ciao for now.